Hello bears, it's time for some more phonics. We're going to make sounds using our mouths. I'm going to start though by singing you a hello song. Ready? Let's say hello to everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Let's say hello to everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Now, today in phonics, I've got some cards, and what I want you to do is have a go at making the sound that you see on the card. So let's start. First one. Can you have a go at going shh, shh? We want someone to be very quiet. We say shh. Can you do a really loud one though? Shh. Okay, next one. Pretend that you are a clock. And we're going to say tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Can you do that? Can I hear? Tick, tock, tick, tock. I like that one. Oh, next we've got an animal. What's it going to be? Ready? Moo. Can you try and make two sounds? Your and your oo. Ready? Moo. Just like the cows. Moo. That one makes my lips tickle. Okay. Imagine you are on a big ball and you're jumping up and down, going boing, boing, boing. Can you copy my sound? Boing, boing, boing. Now we're going to be an insect. We're going to be buzzy bees and we're going to go zzz. Tickles. Bzzz. Okay. Now, someone has just come in with a chocolate cake. Can you go, ooh? Or someone's got something really special or really cool and you go, ooh. Can you make that noise? Ooh. And now we're going to be a choo-choo train going ch, 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 ch. Can you do the whistle too? Ooh. Ch, 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 ch. We've got 3 more left. Okay. Out it's coming, slithery, upside down. A slithery snake hisses. Ready? Next one. What happens? What might we say if we get something wrong or make a mistake? We might go, oh. Or if we see something that is shocking, we might go, oh. 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 Or, oh. And last one is my favourite. Let's all imagine we're sitting at the top of a very big slide, about to go down, all together. 3, 2, 1, whee! Whee! You need to take a nice big breath for that one. Now, what I'd like you to do is have a go at saying those all again and maybe making some different sounds. Can you try and do some of your body percussion sounds? Making sounds with your bodies. So have a play. Can we do some clicking, some whistling, or doing some different sounds to get your mouths really warm And when you finish that, you're going to watch the next video where we're going to practice our letter sounds. Well done, and see you in a minute.